Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The country's degenerating security situation has continued to take center stage at most gatherings, with this not being an exception, as Christian elders chose to encourage one of their own.
Your Excellency, the attempt on your very life, the assassination attempt on you indicates that these people mean business. They are mad with you because you know their evil and devilish agenda, and that you are speaking out against it.
I'm happy yesterday, Mr. President talked about he took oath of office and he will protect the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I was very happy. Let him live to what he said yesterday, because I want to remind him that he took oath of office and heard the Quran, and at the end he said, "So help me God."
While enumerating reasons why the country's democratic rule seems regrettable, the chief executive insists this was not the kind of democracy he bargained for.
It is popularly said that the worst democracy is better than the military dictatorship government. But it's unfortunate that we are beginning to think twice about that saying in Nigeria today.
With over 1 million displaced, food security grossly threatened as the country's food basket, and the casualty figures still startling, the state government has more than enough on its plate.